Good day, everyone. So, I will share a video that I have watched because after watching the video, I felt a mix of fear and realization because the situation shown is something that could truly happen in real life. So now, I have 3 questions. So the first question is, if this situation really happens, what is the first thing you will do for your life and your family and why? And the second question, what is one thing you are willing to sacrifice or change in your lifestyle to survive this crisis? And the last question, the third question is, after realizing this situation, what lesson did you learn about life, responsibility, or being a student? And now, I will share you what are the 3 questions is. So the first question, if this situation really happens, the first thing I would do for myself and my family is to ensure our safety. I would immediately gather my family members, check if everyone is okay, and find a safe place where we can stay. This is important because in any crisis, protecting lives should always be the top priority before anything else. For the second question, one thing I am willing to sacrifice or change in my lifestyle is my comfort and daily routine. Because I know that the crisis, I may not be able to use gadgets, eat the food I like, or live normally. I am willing to adjust and focus only on basic needs like food, water, and safety because survival requires discipline and sacrifice. And lastly, for the third question, the lesson I learned is to value life and be more responsible. Because as a student, this situation made me realize that I should not take things for granted, especially my education and my family. It also taught me to be prepared and to think ahead because unexpected situations can happen anytime. So the overall, the video reminded me that life is unpredictable and we must always be ready, responsible, and appreciated of what we have today. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a nice day and be safe always, everyone. Goodbye.